Yeah, right. So what I'll do is get this prepped. Um, if this thing here was online, we could use. Do you know if you're paying for 365?
Yeah.
You are.
And I just renewed it
Okay, good. Well, that's my
through
point.
Amazon.
What do you mean? What do you pay 365 through Amazon?
Well, I did because they had a special on it.
Well, that's
I was
interesting.
paying like $9.99 a month, but then when I bought the computer, they said you could do a 15-month, and it was
Interesting.
really cheap. So I
Yeah. Okay. Well, up to 5 devices. I thought the typical plan covers 6 devices. Well, let's try this.
Okay.
Let's get online.
okay.
Yeah.
Minimize this one. You want me to plug this in? The battery just
Oh, right. Yeah, sure.
Will
Go
be
ahead and plug it
gone.
in right there.
yeah. It'll be
I'll plug it in here. Yeah. All right.
here. I'll let you do the.
No, I got it. Go ahead and
Okay.
oh, you don't know the password. That's
No.
right.
I'll let you do it. The secret password.
Yeah, right. Just Wi-Fi. Come on. Let me take the password. Come on. All right. Let's try this. Connect. Password. There we are. WINNER11280. All right. So I want to see if your live account, man, you can get a lot going on here.
I know. I don't know how to get rid of them, so I just let them pile up. Sorry.
Right.
I'm
Well.
a user only.
It's all right. Up to date. So it looks like you're signed into the OneDrive account. Come on. And yeah, this machine's just showing its age.
Yes, it is.
Okay, it says you're synced. That's really all I cared about. That makes
Okay.
my job easier.
Okay.
Theoretically, all you need to do is sign into 365 and you'll be good.
Okay.
Because your stuff will just start to show up.
But everything that's on there would be on the 365.
Yes, so also
Okay.
you got a Google Chrome account. Oh, wait, let's see if your Chrome account is signed in. So your favorites here,
Uh huh.
you're using Chrome.
Yeah.
Let's actually sign in. Do you have a Gmail email?
No.
Okay, go. So if you had a Gmail, your Chrome is a Google account
Uh huh.
meshed with your online Google account. So if you had a Gmail email
Uh huh.
or technically this is confusing, but you can have a Google account and have it be a different email.
Okay.
Basically, it's a Google Cloud account,
Oh.
so that your favorites just go to any
Go there.
device.
Uh huh.
Do you want to do that right now so we can let this thing sit?
Sure.
Let's do
Yeah.
that. You don't need to answer that.
No.
All right. So, do you want to go ahead and type your email here just to see if you already have an account?
My old.
Whatever your email is.
Oh, I guess it is there.
Well, not necessarily.
Okay.
Hi, this is Chris.
Chris Sobrino.
Hi, this is Chris.
Hey, Chris. This is Val. How are you today?
I'm all right.
You guys install antivirus in laptop?
Yes.
You do? Okay. Can you tell me, are you guys open on Saturday?
Yes, I'll be here Saturday.
Oh, okay. Okay. And how much is it and how long will it take usually?
Well, okay. So you wanna help purchasing some virus protection and installing it?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Well, I would generally walk you through installing something like ESET. That's what I would recommend most if you're going to pay for something. Do you know how old your computer is?
Less than a year.
All right. So
Really fun.
do you know if it has Windows 11?
Not sure.
Okay. Probably. All right. All right. Well, it might make sense for me to see the computer in person for free, just to have another conversation. Windows 11 is pretty secure. You don't necessarily need virus protection, but ESET Nod 32 is probably my favorite utility to purchase. That's $60 for like 2 years, and that's probably the best on the market. I charge by the half hour. Is there anything else you might? Because it basically takes 5 minutes to do that. I don't really like knocking teeth out for a few minutes at a time. Is there anything else I could help you with? So I would charge you like a half hour of my. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just need to know the name of that program that you just mentioned. I can write it down.
Or ESET, ESET is the company. Nod 32.
Nod 32. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, it only takes 5 minutes to install, but I do charge by the half hour, which is $50. So if you want to milk me for all I'm worth, I would say come up with a list of other things I can help you with. So that way, I'm not charging you $50 to flip a few switches. You want to do that?
Okay, sounds good to me.
Cool. I'll give you a half hour consult. All right. Cool. Yeah. Give me a call before you head over, because I'm in and out all the time.
Okay, I'll call you back.
Thank you. All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah. That's a install virus protection. That's 2 minutes. All right. Cool. So you weren't able. Okay. So you don't have a Google account.
Okay.
Oh wait, yeah, you do. You don't know your password. The way this happened, the way that's visually presented,
Yeah.
tells me you have an account. You just don't know your password.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and go through the motions of resetting your password.
Okay.
So you have a Google account,
Okay.
even though it literally is an AT&T.net email.
Enter last password.
Good. Yeah. Just go ahead and type whatever.
Okay.
I don't know why they ask you that. That's the only company that. What was your password?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
good. All right. But your cell phone is up to 06.
Yeah.
Go ahead and type the full phone number right there.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be your cloud account, so that way all your favorites and stuff in the Chrome browser will just move over to the new machine because you're gonna do. Okay, check your phone.
Check your device.
Your iPad. You don't have your iPad, right?
Not with me.
Hold on. Google sent a notification to your Debbie's iPhone. Oh, your phone also. It sent it to your iPad and iPhone.
Must be in here.
We know you have your
'Cause
phone.
I know
it's
it
been
rang.
ringing, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So if everyone would just be cloud backed up, it makes everyone's job a lot easier.
know, but when I checked the cloud this morning
Yes.
to see what was on it,
Yes.
there's only 500 photos on there, and I
Right.
have 37,000.
Okay. Well, I'll
So-
manually check everything.
Okay.
Basically, we're gonna when you come back, you're gonna sign into your cloud accounts on the other machine.
Okay.
So
It didn't send me anything.
yeah, that's weird. Did it send it by? Just hold it for a
Maybe
second.
mail?
It just no. It would be like a specific iPhone message, and it's just gonna randomly send
Yeah.
an in our face kind of message.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Google sent a notification to your device. That's weird. This is the only iPhone you have, right?
Uh-huh.
It said that it sent it to both. Google said you don't have your iPad, right?
No.
Open your YouTube app. All right. Well, that's
YouTube.
weird.
YouTube.
Oh wait, you don't have.
I have YouTube.
That's not the normal YouTube,
That's it.
is it? They must have just updated their icon. I didn't recognize it.
Yeah, that's it. And then type in 64.
Oh, you don't have. I see. Okay, you don't actually have the app installed. That's a shortcut.
Ah.
Okay, let's get.
Because I don't watch YouTube on my phone. That's probably
Right.
why.
Okay, let's do this. Let's go app store. Oh, you're not online. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get it on the Wi-Fi because you have
Okay.
your data turned on, so only Wi-Fi works.
Okay.
I don't know how normal people use technology. Get it on the Wi-Fi. You'd think these days this would also be so sort of easy.
Huh.
All right, there we are. So now we're gonna go to YouTube.
Okay.
That's weird. I don't know why. I know YouTube is the same company as Google, but still. Oh, it is that. It just looks weird because you're not
Okay.
signed in.
Okay.
Okay, continue. You've
Email.
never signed in. All right, okay. Well, that's weird. How are you supposed to sign in if you don't know your password when we're trying to reset your password.
Exactly. I'm gonna put Sabs here and see what happens.
All right. Well, let's see. Don't have my phone. There we are. Get off. All right. Is this your cell phone number?
Yeah.
That whole
Uh-huh.
number.
Yeah.
Right. Good. Okay. Now this should show up as a text. How's that for silly? Hold on. You're gonna get there. There we go. Let me see that number.
G
I got it.
555610.
Got it. Hello. This is Chris.
Use the
Chris
camera.
Sobrino, you have.
Hello. This is Chris.
Hi, Chris. This is Al here.
Yes.
How are
Hi. Yes.
Good, good. Okay, so I talked to my friend, and can I make an appointment with you for Saturday?
Yes. I'll be here at around 10.
Okay. I have your address at 350 North Sepulveda.
Yes. That's correct.
Okay, great. So he's actually a priest at our nativity.
All right.
So I'm doing it for him.
All right.
So I'm just gonna give him. I'm just gonna get his password, and then he's gonna get. I'm gonna ask him for a list of any other questions he needs
All right.
to be answered besides putting in that
Excellent. Yeah. Just make a list. Yeah.
and then we can just go through the questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll see you at 10 o'clock then on
Thank you.
Saturday.
Excellent. That works.
Okay. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You
Bye-bye.
too.
Can't stand it, huh?
I know. That's weird. I can't. I can't concentrate when someone's talking to me.
I know. I know.
Yeah.
What
Let's
if you
see.
tap it?
Let's see here. Yeah. It's not right. It's almost like dirty. Is your screen dirty? I know.
Well, it could be the screensaver sometimes gets crud under it.
Yeah. Not this. Oh, come on. You stupid. Stop with your extra fancy features.
Yeah, usually a QR code will just,
Yeah, it's usually pretty good.
yeah.
I just told you I didn't have the phone too. Come on. Use your camera app on the iPhone to scan this QR code.
Okay, having trouble, go to
Yeah, you don't-
GCO verify account on device. Oh.
Google, yeah. Google, come on. Common sense among 200 IQ engineers. Come on. Well, it's not grabbing.
No.
Let's see here. Hold on, let me. Where's the actual lens? Which lens is it shooting light out of here?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm 1984 blowing on my NES cartridges. This is stupid. And make sure it can see.
You talked to Matt lately?
Not really.
No, he bought another house
Where?
in Highland at the base of Big Bear Mountain.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, big house.
Nice.
Yeah, he wanted to get out of San Pedro. He was done.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's been there for a while, but it's, I don't know, it's really getting trashy. Section 8 housing went up on
Oh.
either side of him, and
Right.
the type of people that came in were just, they're
Right.
not monitored.
Well, I can't afford to be local, so I got
Yeah.
a piece of property in Salton Sea and a piece of property in just east of Bullhead.
Oh, really?
But it's just dirt, so
Uh-huh.
I'm going to put a kid house on each.
Hey,
Yeah.
are you gonna do like a container, like a container
I
ship
might.
type one?
I might,
I
because
just saw a program on that, and I
for-
thought that is so cool.
for less than 50 grand, you can get a pretty livable structure.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Yes, you
Salton
can.
Sea used to be really hot, and like not when I say hot, like Hollywood used to hang out there
Uh huh.
in like the 50s.
Right.
And then it kind of fell apart.
Kind of like a Palm Springs
It,
type area.
well, it was like 20 miles south.
Uh huh.
And it's a big political hot topic because if anything happens with that lake's drying up,
Yeah.
then the whole center of the state could be compromised because of the health. Because there's so much pesticides in that water.
Uh-huh. And
that-
it'll be a dust bowl.
Yes,
and
all through the
spread.
middle of the state. And Palm Springs would be destroyed because it's so close.
Yeah.
Anything north for like
Wow.
almost 1,000 miles would be affected.
See
So-
what we've done.
And that's why I can buy a property out there for $7,000.
7,000.
Yeah, quarter acre.
So you're upwind. not downwind.
Well, I'm to the west of the lake,
Uh-huh.
so technically
It'll blow the.
I'm only a block from the water, or
Uh-huh.
2 blocks maybe. But yeah, that's why it's so cheap, because it's such a cesspool of a water body.
Well, the houses where we are, we're right by El Camino College,
Right,
and the houses around us now are selling for $1 million.
right, yeah,
It's mind blowing. We couldn't afford it.
right. Yeah,
Does
I
it
mean,
need extra light, maybe?
I don't know, let's see here. This is silly, I've never had this exact problem. Let's see.
Come
I
on,
wonder. Yeah, right. Let me see how my phone behaves, just to see if it's a lighting issue. Yeah, see, mine does it.
Huh.
Which phone is that?
13?
Oh, it's newer than mine. I got a 12.
Yeah, I just got it recently.
All right. So, oh wait, it's on video. That's why. Well,
Was
photo.
it?
There we are.
Oh.
Wait, I think. Hold on.
It doesn't look like it's focusing in.
Yeah, that's why I kept wiping off the screen, because I wasn't sure if that was
How about if it's sideways?
That's what I tried too.
Yeah, it looks
Oh,
fuzzy.
hold on. You got. Let's turn off all these. That is weird. Come on. I'm curious. This is silly. Move farther away. Oh. No. All these stupid features.
I didn't know it had those.
Yeah, no, because it's got all these digital versions of features
Uh-huh.
you'd only find on an SLR.
Oh, it's getting clearer.
Well, yeah, but see now how we get out of.
I don't know. I've never seen that before.
Oh, it's in portrait mode. That's why. Gee golly.
Very strange. How about if I tilt it back?
We can try that, yeah. But my phone had no issue.
I know.
That's weird.
Here. How about if we completely get out of it?
Well, what I want to try is go to the App Store.
Uh-huh.
Let's put a QR reader on there.
I have one on
Oh,
there.
you do?
Uh-huh. Somewhere.
QR
Yeah.
reader, yeah. That works.
It's their problem.
Yeah, Apple and your $1,000 supercomputer. All right, enter your but we need to. Yeah, we forgot. That's why we're going through this motion. Apple
Forgot.
or Google. Yeah.
Okay, just any old thing.
Yeah. Gee golly.
It was a test. We failed.
Right. Well, it's just silly that Google makes this more complicated. I understand they want to make sure we're secure.
Right.
Okay. Did you confirm? Okay.
Enter phone
Type
number.
the whole phone number here.
Okay.
Yeah. This is ridiculous.
Check
All right.
your device.
Okay, well, this is the device. There we are. After you Google sent a notification. Oh, we don't have the iPad with us.
Open the YouTube app. Tap yes on the prompt. Then tap 29 on the phone.
We can't, because Google and YouTube are the same account. We don't have that password.
We're in a loop.
Yeah. Let's see here. Try a different question. Touch that link for me. Oh, there we go.
Oh, shit.
What? Darn it.
Okay, let me try one more time.
Yeah. We're using.
Oh,
No, we're still using the. That works. I don't know why. Let's try this. Let me try this. Sometimes, if you close out
everything.
yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, Apple, the tech enthusiasts you see on YouTube will say, "Well, don't do that. It'll make this. There's a reason. There's technical reasons for leaving all the apps running." Well, let's
Maybe
try
not.
this. Right. Yeah, there's something up with the Apple camera app is not behaving the way it should.
Yeah.
I'm glad you get to. I mean, when my customers get to see me fail, it's like, it's not Chris. It's yeah. Gee golly. Alright, no.
It's on photo.
Yeah, and of course the QR reader
Then
works.
we'll read.
Yeah, instantly. Well, darn.
Wow.
Okay, enter your password. We don't have the password. Forgot password. Okay, type the last password you remember. Let's try this through the phone like we don't have the computer. This should be done anyway. I try to get everyone on the cloud for security. Alright, okay, type the phone number. Okay, check your device. We don't have the iPad. Open the YouTube app and say yes. You know what? Let's do this. We'll worry about this since this is still a functioning machine.
Yeah.
When you come back, bring your iPad.
And we'll do both.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is a minimal issue we've already spent a lot of time on for such a small issue.
Yeah.
So we'll just deal with it.
Okay.
Okay.
So back out of this.
Yes.
Okay.
Cool thing is we got your Microsoft account in the cloud, so we should.
Okay.
I'm gonna reinstall Windows. Make sure Windows 11 is on it, so it's the latest version. That's
Okay.
Windows 10. I'll do the updates, and then when you come back, we'll do 365,
Okay.
and then your Google account.
And then I've got
365 there.
ESET on this one,
All right.
but I don't know the password. Then I just
We'll
renewed
reset it then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many computers do you have?
Just one.
Okay. What about the whole family? Because
Well, we have iPads.
iPads don't need virus
No, we
protection.
only have one
Okay.
in the house.
I didn't know which plan you paid for, but did we get the multiple computer plan last time?
I think so.
Right. I don't think
I'm
it
pretty
matters.
sure.
All right.
We did.
Not a big deal.
Okay. Oh, that's the computer itself.
Cool. All right.
But there's all my passwords like Yahoo, Amazon. I didn't know if to install the 365 if you needed to get into
That's
that.
why. Usually I tell people to buy 365 through Microsoft.com. This is the first time I've seen someone buy it through Amazon, but the last couple times I've seen people buy it through Best Buy.
Yeah.
We get so frustrated because there's technical issues with it.
Okay.
So let's hope that Amazon does it better.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
don't worry about it. And then if you want, I'd like to get you on that LastPass because this for the password management.
I know. I was gonna ask you.
Yeah, LastPass works perfect.
I looked on a YouTube video on there yesterday,
Yeah.
and it said every time you go to a website, it'll automatically capture
Yes.
the password.
Yes.
So.
Yes. So that way, if there's a keylogger virus grabbing what you type,
Yeah.
it doesn't. It
So
sidesteps.
LastPass is the one.
That's the one I use. So I got one for the authenticator. I got LastPass as an app, so I'll show you how it looks. We'll log in LastPass. It's a play on the fact that it's the one last password you should have to create.
Yes.
And then just trust this device. Oh yeah, I haven't been in this app for a week or more. Now I get okay. So I have all the security features turned on, so it's telling me to go to the authentication app.
To make sure it's you.
Yes. Yes. That's the equivalent of like if you had a corporate shop and one of those key fobs on your keychain. That is what that is.
Okay.
All right, there. See, these are all the accounts I've accrued over the decades.
Wow.
Yeah. So if I didn't know my password, I just go in here and go.
That's funny you mention it because I looked at YouTube and I looked at the one that's on the cloud, iCloud chain, and I wasn't comfortable with it.
See, I can just see that there when I'm out and about and I don't have a computer with me. I got my phone.
Oh, okay. So
there
you have a global password to get in?
Well, no. Okay, so LastPass is that global password.
Oh, okay.
But then it encapsulates all my other accounts.
I need something.
Yeah. Well,
Poor
I mean,
brain.
Anytime I see this, it's
I
like,
know.
yeah,
I know.
handwriting your passwords is just a liability.
I just did that because I kept trying to, remember everything, and I thought I gotta write it down.
Right.
And then I got on YouTube. I'm like,
Right. No,
and I
LastPass is
reviewed
free.
Okay, I'm doing LastPass.
You can pay for LastPass, but you don't need the paid account. For someone like you who's not really technical, you just want a responsible way of itemizing your passwords. That's the app I would use. That's one I've been using for the last 15 years. I don't remember. But we'll get that going on the new. Actually, what we could do is, let's do this. Let's create that account here so it all proliferates to the cloud. You put the app on the phone and there are your passwords.
Oh, okay.
So what's going to happen is it's going to suck up all the accounts from the browsers that you've told the browser, okay, save.
Alright,
Yeah, let's do that. That way, while this thing's running, like you said.
yeah. Yeah, I did look at this one,
Yeah,
and it was the one that a hacker
Right.
recommended.
it is a more. Well, there's other more technically oriented ones
Yeah.
where you kind of have to be geeky because they make you download keys and things.
Yeah.
It's just no. No. All right, quick install. I want the downloader because I want the one that's going to grab every universal installer. That's what I want.
Okay.
So it's going to install itself in the browser. It's going to grab all your accounts. You're
And
gonna, yeah,
that'd be great.
yeah, and it'll just be the more reliable way to handle it.
Yeah, my brain can't take it anymore.
Well, I tell people to come up with a nomenclature, meaning like if I told you how my system works, you'd be able to hack all my accounts. I basically use VINs from vehicles I've owned in the past, so you wouldn't know.
16 digits long?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's not literally the whole VIN, but yeah, it's parts of VINs of vehicles I've had. So even vehicles I don't have. So you're not gonna guess it.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
I was gonna say now it's sending me the Google verification
Oh, you
code.
finally got it.
But
Yeah.
it was a while ago. It was 10:24, and then now it's 10:40.
So we had some latency, which is we'll figure this out later.
Okay.
Let's get this account. Technically, is probably more important
Yes.
because the only reason we were doing the Chrome account was for your favorites, which is just one little thing. So we're going to get selected. So these are all the browsers that are built into the system. We're going to go install. Yes. All right. Installing LastPass. You're going to put that app on your phone too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just like, oh yeah, I just showed you from my
Uh-huh.
phone.
Yeah.
So what it's doing is installing the app in each browser.
Okay.
So that's like you said, it's going to encapsulate, it's going to grab the copy and paste basically,
Okay.
so that you don't have to literally type when you want to log into a machine.
Right.
And it does ask for permission, so if you're on a friend's computer,
Oh, okay.
you don't necessarily have
Right.
to. Yeah, because other people are going to have this app or other similar apps on their machine. You just say never. If you log into a friend's computer, you don't have to have it suck up a password.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. It's just more reliable than.
Yeah, that was
Never.
one of the questions I was gonna ask you. Password manager, because
Yes.
I have 4 pages like that.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. No. So like I would have like a hard drive with a file with the documentation, put it in a safe deposit box or on a shelf somewhere, and then
Like a little external.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
right, and maybe have more than one, so you have one maybe here and then one
Uh-huh.
in the car or another
Okay.
place, hand it over to a family member.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
See, it is slow.
yeah.
But it's on.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like,
It's normal behavior. If it's got a mechanical drive, it's normal. After I tell people, unfortunately, whether you spend $500 or $5,000, this stuff's not really engineered to go more than 3 to 5 years.
yeah, and this is about 5.
Yeah, I tell people, you got 5 years out of it. I know it's 5 years old, but you don't want to spend a couple $100 on a 5 or 6 year old machine. You're gonna get better performance if you just replace it
Yeah,
and expect another 5 years.
yeah.
That's just the way it is, and you do get a good bump in performance after 5 years.
I'll say.
But these days, our technology, like our TVs, they're basically the same, and people are going to get frustrated. So I'd imagine TVs are going to get better quality. People aren't going to.
So what we have is obsolete already.
Right. Well, you don't want to replace an 80-inch TV every 5 years. We all grew up with our. Even I grew up with a TV
Says
that's
we're done.
30 years. Yes, close. Yes. So now it's going to start.
There it goes.
There we are. So you're going to create an account.
Okay.
Close this browser here. Go ahead and give it your private info.
Okay.
You're going to create a password that's, so like when I say nomenclature, go ahead and come up with a system so that that one password is going to be the most important. Something that's valid to you and only you.
Okay.
Oh, you right click. There you go.
Master password. Symbols, digits, upper and lower case. Don't use a password from another site.
Right. Well, like I do. I even cheat on that too, but it's a modified version.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think what would be a good master password. And that's the one I have to remember, right?
Right. So the way that I do it is my modified password.
Yeah.
I add a character that's the first letter of the account. So
Okay.
LastPass, you add an L to the end of the character, to the
Okay.
end of the whole password. So that way it could be a very similar password, but you
Okay.
add the name of the account it's for is an L. That's just an example.
Okay.
So
I'm trying
like,
to think of something. that-
whatever your password is for another account, just add the letter L for
Yeah.
LastPass. That's just that's what I would consider
Okay.
a way of doing things.
Oh, it won't show me, huh?
Oh, you can hit the.
I want to see it.
Keep going. I
Okay.
think. Yeah, there's usually like an eyeball or a checkbox over here. All right, I guess not. We don't get that choice.
Okay. Let me make sure that's what it was.
Well, they're gonna have you confirm it an inch lower.
I think that's what it was.
Yeah,
I want to show it to you though.
that's annoying. I don't know. I guess they're figuring if you confirm it, then that should be good enough.
Oh, it doesn't match.
Good thing. Yeah, yeah,
It won't let me back in there?
yeah. Well, try it again. I think your mouse is giving you grief. There you go. Then for the reminder. Okay, you must have mistyped it wrong the second time. Oh, I guess no. Now you got it. Good.
Okay.
Master password reminder.
Okay.
Have it come up with some sort of word or sentence that says this is what it is. Don't actually put the password.
I'm gonna have to remember this one, right? Oh. Yeah, that's right. I guess it doesn't matter
What? Where?
if it has any lowercase, uppercase.
Oh, no. Okay, so the reminder is this is going to. That's not your actual password, is it?
No.
Good.
Uh-uh.
Okay, so that's just a reminder.
Uh-huh.
It's some sort of something that reminds you of what the password is or should
Okay.
be. So you're good.
I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just it's not an actual password, so
Okay.
yeah. If you typed there, good. So it's going to suck up all the passwords you've given Chrome.
Holy crap.
Yeah. So now this is about to shove itself into the cloud.
Wow.
Import. Yes. There we go. That's why I wanted the installer to sit on the
Yeah.
hard drive to suck all your Chrome accounts.
Good idea before we do that.
So why don't you do that now? Put the Chrome app, the LastPass app on your phone,
Okay.
and we'll just I'll show off how good it is. You're gonna have to go to the.
This one?
Oh, you have it already? No, you have to get it. Yes. I thought you were typing on the hardware like you already had it.
Install.
Yes.
That's
So
it?
Yeah. It will be in a second.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's installing. It says it's productivity, right?
Yeah, it will make you more productive.
Instead of me going, what the hell
Right.
is that password?
Yeah. Okay. So, they want us to slide. That's not obvious.
Oh.
Your UI needs to be. Log in now that you've created an account.
Okay.
There we go. Click allow. Allow.
Okay.
There's all. Okay. Autofill. Oh, that's the feature we were speaking of. Yes.
That.
Good. What's it? Yes. Click open settings. Type your magic 6 digits.
Okay.
All right, and then Autofill passwords. I think this is where that. Yes, let's do that. There we go. Yes, continue.
Okay.
There we go.
Open website.
That's weird.
Just sign in.
No,
do
yeah,
that?
so yeah, try that. I
Okay.
wasn't sure what they were trying to ask. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead and sign in your normal account information for that particular website.
I have it on autofill on my iPad.
Good. That was Keychain. Now it's ClassPass. Good. Type your. Oh, didn't autofill. Start typing. So let me see what
Okay.
happens.
I don't know what it is though.
Oh, so maybe you haven't logged into this account in a while
Yeah,
on this
I
phone.
have recently. Oh, never on the phone.
Oh, well,
Always
then
the
that's,
iPad.
right. So
So it'll probably generate
oh,
once
but
I
only the iPad, not the full computer. Well, that's
Right.
why it wasn't able
Right.
to input. So it didn't.
only
Act,
the iPad.
that would.
Yeah.
That's why it doesn't have this history.
Okay.
So
All right.
it picked the wrong site to show
Okay.
itself off. Yeah, dismiss. Forget it. But there you go.
Okay.
Check this out. These are all those accounts that got sucked up.
Wow.
So now you've just saved yourself. Oh, including your Wi-Fi passwords for all the
Okay.
networks.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. So
Okay.
if we just go hit the what Papa John, that one doesn't have a password. Let me see here. Let's just do this one. View. Oh, that's to copy. So you can copy and paste that way.
Okay.
Show. There we go. There's that
Okay.
password for that account.
Okay. All
There you
right.
go. So you've just eliminated a need to handwrite
Thank
your
you.
passwords, and
Thank
you've
you.
already itemized it all. You didn't have to manually
Yes.
import. You could
Yes.
import manually if you wanted to,
Okay.
but it just
You
sucked
don't
up.
need to.
You're so invested in this setup.
Uh-huh.
We've just made ourselves a lot easier
Yes.
configured. Yeah, it's just
Yes.
Yeah.
No
So-
more paper.
so now we're going to sign into this when you come back on the
Uh-huh.
new machine, and
Okay.
it's going to be that much easier for you to use the new machine.
Okay. So where can I keep that?
What's this?
The master
Oh,
password.
the master. That's the one. That's what
Yeah.
they play on it. LastPass.
You don't want to put it in the LastPass, right?
Right. I mean, yeah, because eventually you would end up having to give it, and if you don't have it,
Could
there is a procedure for resetting it,
Uh-huh.
but you have to set up the whole. You gotta. Yeah,
What if I put it in contacts?
you could do that. Yeah, a lot of people
Yeah.
use their Notes app for that sort of thing.
But when the upgrades came through
Right.
on contacts, all
Yeah.
the notes disappeared. Every
Lovely.
single note, and that's where I used to keep all my passwords.
Oh, you know what? Did you check the box to eliminate? It's possible to eliminate the backing up of the
Oh, I
notes.
don't know.
So you need to make sure that checkbox is checked.
Okay, in
So
settings.
you can, yeah. So Apple's a little ham-fisted the way they do that.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
go for iCloud. Go back to further back settings.
Okay.
Just type iCloud. Yeah, here we go. And then the checkbox is unchecked. There you go. See
Is
that?
that why?
It wasn't back. Well, there was. It sounds like it glitched,
Yeah.
but it also wasn't backed up anyway.
Okay.
So now it is.
Okay.
And same thing for the messages, the Safari settings, the reminders, the calendars backed up.
Just put them all on there.
If you, yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
it's, I mean, you get the top of the line.
Would you like to do with your existing local
Yes,
Safari?
share merge. You have any other Apple devices other than the phone or the iPad? Not a full computer, right?
No,
Well, then it won't really matter.
no.
So there you go.
I think I got my
Reminders.
reminders
Good,
too.
yes. So that's why, unfortunately, it glitched.
Keychain is on.
It's on, that's fine.
Okay.
But now you got the keychain. Keychain is not as easy to use as LastPass, and we already checked the box that moves LastPass aside.
Okay.
I'm sorry, keychain
The
aside.
Keychain aside. Yeah.
Yeah. So now the
Okay.
phone's being backed up. It's good. Your photos is being backed up. Good. Yeah. So you got plenty of iCloud account stuff.
Yeah.
So now, when we figure out your Google password, all your favorites will just show up. We've already done most of the work.
Yay.
I'm going to reinstall Windows, do the updates, and that's
Okay.
pretty much it.
All right.
And then we'll figure out how Amazon wants us to do the 365.
Okay. Well, I have to go on Amazon. It said activation required. Whoops.
Right.
And then click the activate button below.
We can do that through the new computer.
Create a new
That'll be
Microsoft
faster.
account. Blah 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 blah. And
All right.
access.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet.
And that's the thing that I use.
Well, I have a 20.
like-
So this new machine doesn't have a CD drive, right?
No.
So for $20, you get yourself a USB one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, I mean, I use it and abuse this thing. So
Okay.
you just get one of yours, put this on a shelf, and
All right.
you only plug it in when you need it.
Okay. I'm
So we'll use that one to get this going.
just gonna take
Oh,
a
6.
picture
I'm
of this.
surprised it still works in Windows 11, 10.
Well, I know.
Yeah.
And I have another artist friend who also uses this, and we're both like, you think it'll install
Right.
a new computer?
Yeah.
Because it is the best photo editing for artists. It
So
is just incredible.
What kind of art? You don't. It's not photography. What kind of artistry? What kind of
Well, I do,
photography?
no, it's photographs of my paintings.
Oh, you
and
paint.
my
All
work,
right.
Yeah.
So you take pictures of. Okay, cool.
And then when I enter shows, I've got it all on
Right.
here. And I can manipulate the JPEG and, you know, the whole bit.
Right.
So,
Wow.
yeah. This one
Sweet.
just sold, actually.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
Pretty.
you know, it's nice to have it's been my journey as an artist, too, because right here,
There's been an evolutionary experience.
there's a date. So
Yeah.
all the way from 2000, I have
Yeah.
it really organized by folder and by
What-
date.
Okay, so what folder are these files actually sitting in? Is
I
it
don't
the,
know.
Is it,
I couldn't
okay, well,
find 'em.
Since we're here, let's go to view or edit and see where they all physically sit and make sure it is the
Here, I'll let
photos.
you. Yeah, whether it's JPEGs or.
Well, I just want to see physically where they are because
Yeah.
if they're not in the default pictures folder, it looks like. Is that all them there? That looks like the pictures folder.
That's not all of them,
No,
because
see.
I have 37,000.
All
There's
right.
no
Well,
way.
tell me how you know that now. Oh, there we are. Users, Debbie, desktop, okay, yeah.
That's one of my folders.
Okay, well, you see this tree here? This is
Uh-huh.
how this works. It tells me that this is the folder it's in. Is that right? Water cooling,
Watercolor,
watercolor
doodling, that's one of my classes,
Okay,
yeah.
so it's on the desktop. Where
Yeah.
else do you have your stuff?
Well,
I just
I'll
want to make
show
sure it's
you.
encapsulated in the whole cloud backup.
it's a good question.
Because that's a unique
Because-
program. It's not Microsoft, and it's not, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know where the JPEG resides.
Click on one. Let me see if that tree shows up right
Okay.
here again. See? Oh, yeah, so right click on it. Let me see. So that tree didn't show up there. Go properties.
iCloud
Yeah,
photos.
okay, no, it's in the down, okay, yeah, interesting. Okay, so you took pictures, all right.
But they're not all on there, because when I check the iCloud,
Yeah.
there's only 500 photographs on it. And
Right.
I have 36,000.
Okay, let's go to the, where is it? Where's your, you get so many shortcuts here. There, File Explorer. There. Okay, so let's go to Pictures. Okay, so let's go right click.
There's only 587.
Oh, right, yeah, so the iCloud, that's why
And
I
there's
want,
iCloud photo here.
yeah, let's see what this is. And they're not that all in your phone, are they?
Yeah.
Because that's what they are?
Pretty sure most of them.
Because that's
are.
what this is here.
Let me see. See all. Let me see. Those are. I only have 21,000 on here.
Recents.
That's
yeah.
all. That's all. of
Okay,
them.
so that I'm glad we're going over this because I would. Okay, so wait, 39,000,
No, that's 3,900.
3,900.
Yeah.
Yes, my dyslexic eyeballs bouncing around there. All right. I upload photos, downloads, uploads, shared. One selected out of all those. Let me go. Is there an export function?
Yes.
Where?
I think.
Is there like an export all?
Let's see.
Because that way we could put it into a more conventional folder.
There's an
Archive.
archive.
Yeah. I'm glad we're doing this on a machine that still functions.
Yeah, there's an archive. I mean, it would take me a year to get these back into folders. That's what
Right.
I'm afraid of.
You want the albums then, right?
Yeah.
Because if you used another utility, it's not necessarily going to recognize how to read those
the
albums.
structure of the
Right, because of that metadata, it won't necessarily be exportable to a
Yeah.
different program. Welcome to the archive. Okay, let me just see how this works.
Okay.
Okay, all pictures and video. Good.
And
Yes.
then how many does it say?
File size is going to be about 90 gigs.
37,248.
Why is that number? Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so
But this is just the one folder that's art that's giving me that number.
okay, so 3,900, and then what's
Right
it?
here, 37,248.
Okay, so let me just see. Is he going to ask us to? Just want to go through the motions.
Okay.
So I'll select destination so I can put it on. That's going to be, yeah, it's a good thing we're doing this now. You don't have a USB drive, right?
I do at home.
Okay, why
It's
don't
a
we?
1 terabyte.
Yeah, let's do that because I
Okay.
don't know how many hours that might take.
It will.
Yeah,
With this thing as being.
I want to. Yeah, let's leave this thing
Okay.
as is.
Okay.
I'll get this thing going.
I'll bring back my.
Yeah, bring back the iPad, and then we'll finish up the Google account,
Okay.
and then we'll be good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright. Just keep track of your time.
yeah,
for me.
sure.
I don't
Sweet.
wanna. I don't wanna jip
No.
you out of it.
No, it's all
Oh,
right.
And there's a
Figure it out.
there's documentation for this
Right.
program.
Oh, that's
but
unusual.
it is just crap.
Yeah, that's written by an
There's
engineer.
not even a find feature.
What?
There's not even a find feature.
Do you have to manually label all your files?
Yeah,
So,
uh-huh.
or does it do like a default?
No,
It-
I make files and then I
Right.
drop things in it.
Well, I mean the iPhone labels on the image nomenclature, right?
Yeah.
Heck.
So do
all
you
right.
need to check this thing out at all? I
Oh,
haven't
it's-
opened it.
Well, let's open it up. See
I
what you
put,
got. Oh,
um,
did we talk about the details, the technical details, making sure that this storage has more or the same as that?
You said you bump it up to 512 instead
Well, I just
of.
because
Uh-huh.
what is that? What is
I
that?
don't know. How can you tell? I don't
Go
know.
to the file manager, the Manila folder.
Over here,
Yeah.
and then what?
All right. Okay. Go to the where is it? The File Explorer, halfway down on the left.
Okay. Oops. Okay, well, I'll close you up.
Oh, what's that? Yeah.
It thinks I want to go in here.
There, File Explorer, right there.
Where is it?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, this is Chris.
We have been emailing you regarding your business loan approval.
Shut up.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Go to my computer. Oh, go to the scroll up. Oh wait, no, go to the
What is this thing doing?
it's not behaving. Let's go to this PC. And then this thing had 8 on it. Yeah.
It had what?
Windows 8.
Oh.
Gee golly. Where's your My Computer icon? That's weird. I mean the C drive. Oh, C drive. Here we go. I'm not used to this view. Let's go properties.
I've never seen this view.
Yeah. Okay, total size is a terabyte. That's why. What size is this?
Well, I think it's on the.
Right. Let me see here. Because of your photos, we got to make sure. Okay. There we go. There. That's what I'm used to. Let me go. Orange icon. No, not that's too. Let's just do this. Okay, so. Free space. Okay, good. Free space is still 700 gigs. That's what I was worried about. So this
Okay.
drive is technically bigger. That's what you see why I make sure your older machine actually has more storage than
Okay.
your new one.
Okay.
Let's see what we have here.
Okay.
I just, oftentimes, especially from the Apple store,
Uh-huh.
people will bring me their brand new machines and they'll have less storage
Ooh.
than their old stuff, and they didn't get a proper interview.
20 gigabyte RAM, 512
yeah.
gigabyte,
Good.
something.
The PCIe, that's a faster technology, and the reason why it's easy to accidentally downgrade in space is because they want to keep the price point low, so they'll give you less storage, but you get the better technology.
Oh, okay.
So,
All right.
unfortunately, like if I was selling something like that, if I was an executive at one of these computer companies,
Uh-huh.
I'd come up with a 30-second video
Uh-huh.
in the marketing campaign
On how to-
explaining to someone like you what's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
You're going to get an upgrade in technology, but you're going to potentially get less storage. And it's easy to do, especially at Apple, because they actually, as that expensive as their hardware is,
Yeah.
you can get a drive that's only 128 gigs still.
Really?
Yeah, it's silly since their heritage is supporting media producers.
Huh.
Yeah, so the company's got some weird issues. But here we are. Okay, brand new machine. IdeaPad 3. Good. All right. I'm gonna reinstall Windows on this thing
Okay.
because I don't want the stock. All right. You know what? We could
Is it
probably.
charged?
Yeah, I guess it is. Sometimes
Oh.
they ship charged, and sometimes they ship
Wow.
dead.
Here.
All right. Well, you know what? We may as well. We can pull that charger out of here, out of there. I can't tell what. What is it? I can't tell what battery we have left.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think that's in the box.
Yeah, I didn't pull it out. Right. You know what? It might make sense. Let's just get this done. How far away are you?
Just by El Camino.
Oh.
Right up Manhattan Beach Boulevard.
All right.
We're close. I'm not in a rush, I'm telling you.
No, that's all right. Well, that's how it goes. So I was busy all day yesterday,
Yeah.
and now I got you and maybe one other.
Uh-huh.
It was exhausting yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mentally draining. Yeah, you burn a lot of calories just.
Yeah, just trying
Yeah.
to think it through.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. I want to see where we are. Let me.
I think it's on this. No. Where's the...
This thing right here. Okay, so this is Windows 10, I think. Yeah, I think so.
Does it tell you on here?
Yeah, the box would probably tell us if it came with Windows. Well, it has 11. No, yeah, Windows 11, 20
This is
gig of RAM.
11. Yeah.
No, what I was wondering is one of the things I like to do.
Uh-huh.
This is an empty copy of Nothing But Windows
Uh-huh.
to avoid this.
Oh,
Because
okay.
if you first turn this on,
Uh-huh.
you're gonna have some of this already, and this just slows you down anyway.
Yeah.
So I try to do the minimalist approach and only install what you care about.
Okay.
Let's see. I think
I
that has one.
appreciate that.
Well, that's part of what I do.
Yeah.
I like to set it up so it's more effective and
Because when I do
efficient.
Task Manager,
Yes, you
there's
got all sorts
this
of.
stuff running in the background.
Exactly.
And I have no idea what it is, and I want to
That's-
stop them all, but
Yes.
I don't know which ones to.
That's why I do this. So you eliminate some of the crap that ships with a
Okay.
new machine. So some of the reasons this thing didn't sell for another $50 or $100 is because you got the free stuff.
Oh.
So Dropbox will pay $20 to Lenovo
Yeah.
to have their shortcut installed.
Aha.
So that's why you want to avoid that.
Okay, so like little subscriptions.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And that's why those sometimes Apples are more expensive because
Yeah.
they don't have all
They're
that.
proprietary.
They're not getting subsidized
Yes.
by these other utilities.
I think
So-
my ESET is running right now, is it?
It should be. I gotta get a copy of Windows. I think this is Windows. I'm so afraid of not having them when I do my house calls. I think
Oh,
Yeah, let me go to the car for a second.
okay. Let me move out of your way.
It's alright. Yeah, good, it's working. Cool. All right, you know what? That makes sense for us to just get this taken care of now, rather than, let's get this, it only takes 10 minutes to set this machine
Okay.
up, or reinstall Windows.
Uh-huh.
Let's get this in order so that way, when I send you off, the only thing you're doing is bringing back
Okay.
that other thing.
You want your stool?
In a second.
Okay.
Thank you. You said it. I'm
No,
sorry.
I don't need to
should've-
sit.
I should have
No.
offered it to you.
No, I'm not a sitter. I'm
All right. I hear that a lot, though.
I don't even sit when I paint. I
Oh,
have
really?
I have a table that's this height.
Yeah. I like to work. Yeah, you have one of
What?
those adjustable tables?
No.
I was thinking get one of
Uh-uh.
those.
I bought a 6-foot table then and did bed risers on the legs.
Oh,
From-
right.
You know,
I
to
was
bring
thinking
it
of getting one that does that
Uh-huh.
because it would make sense. since I want to do more of the work on live YouTube
Uh-huh.
and show everyone. And
Oh, so you're set up already with a mic
Sorta, yeah.
and you have a ring light
Yeah,
and all that.
yeah.
Oh, good for you. I
Yeah.
taught on Zoom for
Oh,
months and
right.
months.
yeah.
I'm done with it.
Ah. All right. What's the turn off? There we go. Okay. So now I think it's F. I have a Lenovo. Why can't I remember which boot key is the BIOS? I think, there we go. So this is what we're doing. We are reinstalling Windows minus the retail software.
All right. Lenovo.
Yeah.
She's been a good little Lenovo. Till she wasn't.
Well, like I said, well, the mechanical drive is going to fail after so many years.
Yeah.
It's like a tire tread. You only need so many miles.
So it's on the
Yeah. So you can.
desktop.
The vault is going to take you to their website
Okay.
and then ask you to log in,
Uh-huh.
and you can view it through their website.
Okay. Microsoft Edge, huh?
Yes, that's the browser that comes with Windows 10.
Hmm.
Oh, great. So the browser. Let me see here. The touchpad does not want to work, which is normal behavior given what I'm up to,
Oh.
because it's the more sophisticated hardware isn't installed yet. There we are.
I haven't used a mouse in so long.
Well, this touchpad, since I'm left-handed, my right hand,
Oh.
I had to find an ambidextrous touchpad
Yeah.
since my right hand doesn't
Uh-huh.
work well,
Yeah.
and it's always been that way. So I just manage.
Yeah.
I had cerebral palsy from before I was born.
But my sister that lives with us does too.
Yeah.
Well, she's mentally retarded too, though. So
Oh.
she doesn't have her mental capabilities, but she's pretty high functioning.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to go do some research and get the driver
Okay.
for the. Why don't I send you on your way?
Okay.
Because it's gonna take me 10 or
iPad.
20 minutes.
iPad and my hard drive. Or
Yes,
my,
a hard drive.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because it's going to take some time. I don't
Yeah.
know how long, but I want to make
Okay.
sure we're going to manually back up those files since we don't know
Okay.
where they are,
Okay.
and we're just going to let them export. And then you're going to put that computer on a shelf for a week or two and tell me if everything got transferred.
Good idea.
Yeah, don't
Okay. So
get rid
leave
of it.
all this,
Yeah,
and then the secret passcode.
yeah, right. Yeah, so, did you ever bother to take a picture of that paper? All right, cool. Yeah. Well,
Oh, only this part.
right.
So why don't I take a picture of the
Yeah.
whole thing?
That's at least if it is handwritten, it's also
Yeah.
in a picture.
Yeah, because there's my sign-in for this computer too.
Right.
Go away.
It's sideways. It doesn't know it's right side up. There you go. There you go.
I only need this part here. Okay. Got it.
Good.
Okay, well have fun.
Yeah, right. Sweet.
Better you than me.
No, it's all right. That's what I.
We have a.
You're the artist. I'm the engineer. Most people are one or the other.
I'm definitely right-brained.
Yeah, I don't
one of
have
our-
any artistic
Two of our
ability.
sons. Well, Matt's an electrician,
Right.
and then his brothers are too.
Yeah.
So whenever we ask them for help with something, it's like, Mom, you should try it. Just try it. And then,
Right.
and I said, well, you can either come over and do it, or you can fix what I did.
Right.
So then they run over.
Yeah. Right. Right. It's all right. Yeah.
Tomorrow, right?
No, today.
Today?
Yeah. Yeah. Call me as you're headed over. I'm gonna go to lunch and
Okay.
yeah. There we are. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna have to go Lenovo. What is this? This is an IdeaPad 3. So there we go. Yeah. So I went to install Windows 11, and this is the version copy of Windows 11. Let's see here. Windows 11. Lenovo.com. this? Lenovo. Lenovo SSD IdeaPad 3 drivers. Alright, so which IdeaPad 3 is this? Is that it? Okay, so what I need is a Lenovo driver for the SSD in this machine. It is, what is this thing? It is, let's see here. Let's see here. Alright, so let's see. Let's figure out which Lenovo this is. It's an IdeaPad. Oh, I got the box. The box should tell me exactly what it is. It is an IT. Well, I think there might be more than one version. It's like a car with a different type of engine than the lower end model. Let's see here. It doesn't tell me exactly which IdeaPad this is. Heck! Gee golly! Where's the darn model? It doesn't even say it's an IdeaPad on the outside of the box. It's got that generic box. Oh, you know what? Is that the model number? The UN? No, that's not it. Well, let's just try that driver. Chipset onboard video. When you do an aftermarket like a Samsung SSD, this is never a problem. Let's see here. Audio, camera, mouse, touchpad, tree. Let's see here. SSD driver. Let's do this. SSD driver. Yes, there we go. I'm not the first person to do this. IRST is what it's calling it. Yes, there's no bio shown. Alright. IdeaPad 3. Rapid storage. Yeah, got it. Alright, let's see if this does it. Extract. Nice. Oh, serial number. I'll just do the serial number. Let's do an auto detect that way. What is the serial number? It is a... Where is the serial number? It's a model name. IdeaPad. Where's the serial number? Manufacturer's date. Son of a gun. Alright. Where is it? Where's the ID? Let's see, serial number. Can we get the serial number? Alright, it is a... Oh, serial number's over there. Got it. Way segregate from the rest of the verbiage. Alright. PF. Three. 8Y. Oh, I shouldn't say that out loud, should I? Woo-hoo. All right. So there we go. No! Don't install that crap on my Dell. No. Really? Come on. This is silly. Alright, that's annoying. Just give me the website. Copy. I don't... Okay, so... let's just see if this is it. Download. Alright, it's an executable, so we're going to run this. Open. Oh, good. No. I want to extract. Accept. Next. Extract only. Thank you, people. Alright. Where's that USB stick? Alright, let's eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Let's do this one. Alright. Oh, let's do it over here. Alright. Chris, you're so weird. Alright. Alright. No, not the C drive. Let's see if this works. Alright. Drivers. Nope, we'll make a new folder. Lenovo. There we are. Yes. D. Extract. Yes, I know. Finish. Okay, let's see if that works. Alright, I have to pee so bad. I gotta go. Whew. Alright, nice. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Do. Hello, how are you? Okay, so. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Let's see if this is as easy as Dell, Lenovo. Okay, can you read that? Now it's a little washed out, isn't it? Of course, the keyboard driver is probably not there, so I can't dim the light for you. Let's go load driver. Yeah, it's a little washed out. Oh, of course, now I need to plug the mouse in again. Alright, let's see here. Nope, of course, I just plugged something in to use and I'm good and use. Driver, yes, browse, good, yes, okay, alright. Lenovo. Hey, look at that, I found it. Can you see? Oh, yeah, see, there you go. I found it. Yes, if this is what you have to do manually. If the SSD does not show up by default because someone at Lenovo was too cheap to pay Microsoft to install their driver for their OEM SSD so that Windows will install. Next. Alright, there we go. Looks like that's going to work. Alright. Hey, look at those drives. So now we're going to go delete these partitions because we don't want all that retail crap on these machines. In the old days, it'd be like a mechanic taking all the emissions controls off of their car. Be a minimalist whenever possible. Delete that. Good. Good. We got our SSD. We got our 512 SSD formatted. Good. So now we're installing Windows. Windows 11. I had to manually go grab the data for this SSD so that we can get here. Hi everyone. I gotta figure out a new mount system. There we go. There. Yeah, so we're setting up a new Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Alright. Alright. I hope this is Windows 11. Yeah, I think one of my other memory sticks that's little, I thought had Windows 11 on it. Turns out I accidentally installed Windows 10 yesterday. How are you? Alright. 15%. Anyway, I'm going to take off. I gotta shower, roll it out of bed today. Let's see here. Come on.